What's on your mind? What are you thinking about? What's on my mind? What's on your mind? On your mind, on my mind, on his mind, on her mind. He has a lot of things on his mind. If you change the subject to she has a lot of things on her mind. If it's plural, we have, you have to change this to have. We have a lot of things on our mind or minds. I don't think it makes that much of a difference if you choose to use the singular or the plural. There's some debate about that. And of course, if you use they have a lot of things on their mind or minds. They have a lot of things on their mind. I have something on my mind. Or I have many things on my mind. Or I could just eliminate this and use it. It is on my mind. If it's one thing, then just it. This is a situation. It's on my mind. If I'm thinking about you, then you're on my mind. If I'm thinking about somebody else, if it's a woman, for example, she's on my mind. And if I'm thinking about other people or other things, I can use the plural pronoun they. They're on my mind. They are on my mind. When I'm at school, these are things that are on my mind for my classes. I think about my lesson plans. I think about the materials that I'm going to use to teach my classes. Here is my classroom. That's my desk. This is where I post work from students. These things are often on my mind. My students are on my mind, and their goals, the things that they want to be able to do, are often on my mind. These are things that I've been thinking about a lot lately. I've been thinking about my house. My house is on my mind. There are things that I have to fix. And the gardens around my house are on my mind. Because it's been so hot, a lot of things need water. And many of the plants I put in the spring died. My tomato plants died. I've been thinking about what to put here instead. The climate is often on my mind. My bike is on my mind. I have to fix my bike. I have to think about where to take it and what they have to do to fix it. As you can see, I have to get this fixed, and I need new tires, and then I just need an overall tune-up. My kids are on my mind. Even though they're adults, I always have my kids on my mind. And world events. There's the war in Iran, the war in Ukraine. And recently, temperatures have been very high. All of these things have been on my mind. My bike needs a tune-up and new tires. This has been on my mind. I don't have to do it right now. I can do this next week or in a couple of weeks, but it has been on my mind. I've been thinking about it quite a lot lately. I'm thinking about places where I can take my bike. This has been on my mind. When I decide where to take the bike, then I have a place in mind. I have a place in mind. This is the bike shop that I will probably take my bike to. It's in mind. This is the place where I intend on taking the bike. This is the place I have in mind. What's on your mind? In the comments section, tell me about the things that are on your mind. I hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.